Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a payment due issue on Instagram in 2025. Now you can do that by focusing solely on the necessary steps, and the first step is to verify your payment information. How do you do this? Go to your profile and tap the menu, which is three horizontal lines at the top right corner. The next thing you're going to do is select business tools and controls, or you can choose creator tools and controls depending on your profile type. Next, tap add payments or payments, then select billing and payments. Here you're going to review your saved payment methods. Ensure the card number, expiration date and CVV are correct. Make sure the billing address matches the address associated with your payment method. Then check the payment method validity. Confirm that your debit or credit card has not expired. Ensure that your payment method has sufficient funds available. If you're using PayPal, verify your PayPal account is in good standing and has a linked funding source. If all this fails, try an alternative payment method. So you can use a different one, like a different credit card or a different debit card or even PayPal. Then if all this does not work, then you can simply contact Instagram support. Check your payment information and try alternative methods. Contact Instagram directly for assistance if all this fails. How do you do this? Go to your profile, tap the menu, select settings, then click on help and then report a problem. It's as simple as that. It's important for you to consider that accepted payment method on Instagram are major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and PayPal. The availability of other local payment methods may vary by the region. Note that Facebook Pay has transitioned to MetaPay. You can manage your saved payment information within the account center. Your bank or payments provider might be declaring the transaction, so contact them directly to inquire if this is the case. If the payment due relates to a subscription like Meta Verified, understand the billing cycle and ensure payment is made before the next due date to avoid service interruption. If you see charges you don't recognize, report them to Instagram immediately through the help center. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.